Welcome to JLM University. My name is Alex, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to replace the shrouds on your Power Pole Move ZR. For a list of recommended tools, please see the description below. First, make sure the power is turned off and that the Power Pole Move is in the deployed position. Now use your number 2 Phillips screwdriver to remove the 6 screws on each shroud. Now with the screws loosened, push the lock bar forward and pull the shroud out. As you're doing this, the fastening strap will pull through the slot on the side of the shroud. Now that we have the shrouds removed, pull the bumpers off. Now we are ready to install our new shrouds with bumpers by tightening the 6 Phillips screws. Run the strap through the slot on the side of the shroud. Now align the bumper with the holes that are drilled in the side of the base. Align the shroud with the bumper and the screw holes. Now we are ready to tighten our 6 screws to the shroud. Ensure that the lock washer is placed on the screw and that the 2 longest screws are positioned at the 2 highest holes at the top of the shroud that also run through the bumpers. Remember to use your torque wrench and to tighten down to the listed torque specs that can be found in the instructions. Now repeat the process for the remaining shroud. And that is how you replace the shrouds with bumpers on your Power Pole Move ZR. Thanks for watching.